Did you hear the news? They finally did it. The new solar-powered S4 by Afikim is finally available, and we're including a 3-year in-home repair contract. Why? Because we know that these things are built like tanks and nothing's gonna go wrong. Not only that, folks, to celebrate the release of the first of its kind solar-powered scooter, we're offering deep discounts, tax-free sales, and free shipping nationwide for a limited time only. So whether you want the solar-powered S4 that just came out, the 2-seater HD version with a 600-pound weight capacity, or any configuration, we're giving out deals that are too good to be true right now. These are the most versatile scooters on the market. They're half the size of a golf cart, half the price, and they're gonna last way longer. What's more important is that if you actually need parts or warranty support, when you call, we answer. The manufacturer actually backs their products. Afikim has been around for over 70 years, and they make the best quality outdoor electric vehicles on the market. These things are rugged enough to handle rain, snow, sand on the beach. You could do all sorts of things with it. If you like fishing, you like going on nature trails, or if you just like going around your property with your loved ones, the 2-seater option is phenomenal for that. I take my dog, my wife, and my baby. It holds up to 600 pounds. It's a tank. These are medical grade mobility scooters. You can take them indoors and outdoors. They're powerful enough to tow a trailer. I've even towed a semi-truck with one of these things just to see how powerful it really is. Not that you should try that, but it did it. It's amazing how powerful these things are. There's more custom upgrades than I can even list in this video. So if you want to learn more, there's 2 ways to do it. Number 1, call 877-740-4034, or you can request a copy of our free product catalog. It's going to have all of our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our 5-star rated company, Mobility Direct. We'd love to earn your business, folks. Now's the time to get your hands on one of these scooters before they sell out. Springtime's here, summer's around the corner. It's time to get out and do more. Personally, I'm gonna be using these scooters to go out fishing. With the solar-powered canopy, you don't need to worry about charging your battery anymore. This thing is just gonna soak up the sun like I am. And if you wanna get one too, we're gonna give you the best deal possible. If you have any questions, folks, give our non-commissioned sales experts a call. They'd love to chat with you. They're not pushy. They're not gonna try and sell you something you don't need. We'd love to earn your business. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day.